Hello guys, this is the in-ear earphone by Flipkart, and today let's have a quick look in this video. So here's the box I've received from Flipkart. Let me open it up quickly for you guys. Here we have the invoice of the product of Rs 375. This is the actual box of the earphone. The earphone should be inside this tiny little box. Here we have some info on the box as well as the printed price of Rs 875. As you can see, the seal is intact, and now it's time to cut the seal and check the product itself. And here we have the earphone in a plastic zip pouch, but we'll have a closer look after a while. Here is a thank you card from Flipkart. We have some extra ear tips here, probably large and small, as the medium one is already pre-installed. And now it's time to check the actual product. Here's the earphone. Let me untie it. The housing of the earphone are made of metal, as you can see here. And we have the Flipkart Smartbuy branding on the microphone here, with a send and end call button. And we have also got a clipper here, the 3.5mm audio jack, which is sadly not gold plated. The cable is sturdy and seems strong enough, and it is braided and kind of a tangle resistant to some extent. And the overall quality, including the metallic housing, is really good at such a low cost. That's all in today's video guys. For a full review and more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and do share among your friends and families.